You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names and clarify the pronunciation. From Italian, the name of this town in Italy, near Venice, south of Venice, it's pronounced Chioggia. So let's look at how you could spell it. Chio, like Kia, the car manufacturer, well, just Chioggia, alright? So replace the CH here with a K. That's what it sounds like in Italian. And the double GI here with a J. Chioggia. You do want to stress on that double GI, that J sound. Chioggia. It's easy. Chioggia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.